the next generation of our incredible earbuds, Galaxy Buds Pro.
Here are Galaxybudspro, the most immersive sound experience on Galaxy Buds. We use earbuds to listen to our favorite music, watch our favorite movies, and connect with the people we love. They help us tune into the content we care about and tune out the content we don't. They even transport us to another world, just us and the audio we love. With earbuds, we can watch movies that center us and listen to music that helps us connect with ourselves. Earbuds give us personal space when we need it most. If you listen to music often, you know what a big difference sound quality makes. The foundation of our Galaxy Buds lineup is amazing sound, and Galaxy Buds Pro are packed with pro sound quality. Galaxy Buds Pro come with the most intelligent active noise cancellation on true wireless earbuds, so you can transition seamlessly between your universe and the world around you. The Galaxy Buds Pro will make your listening experience extraordinary. Our engineers and designers worked closely together to bring this incredible sound experience to life. Let's listen.
The goal of Galaxy Buds Pro is simple: to deliver the best sound experience, period. Most earbuds immerse you in audio and stop right there, but Buds Pro are different. They redefine the sound experience to transport you to your inner and outer worlds. This is how the Galaxy Buds Pro are designed and engineered to enable a sound experience unlike any other. Nothing immerses us in our inner worlds better than captivating sound. When building Galaxy Buds Pro, engineers were inspired by the highest quality audio devices around: speakers. Most premium speakers use a two-way system. A woofer delivers bass, and a tweeter delivers high pitches. They work together to create rich, premium sound. But most wireless earbuds only use a one-way speaker system. The reason? Size. Building two-way speakers into a small earbud body requires an innovative solution. So engineers tried a new approach: system in package. SiP minimizes the size of each chip and organizes them into dense stacks to integrate all parts into a single component for more optimal use of space. This breakthrough in engineering enables the Galaxy Buds Pro to feature two-way speakers. The Galaxy Buds Pro set the standard for sound quality on wireless earbuds with stunning sound by AKG. But sound quality doesn't end there. The Buds Pro delivered 360 audio for realistic immersion. Using intelligent motion tracking sensors and Dolby head tracking, Buds Pro can detect head movements. Now, when you turn your head, the audio will recalibrate and put you in the middle of the scene. What really takes audio to the next level is active noise canceling. The Galaxy Buds Pro uses its outer mic to monitor ambient noise and its inner mic to monitor noise inside your ear. Based on these noise readings, the advanced chipset generates an anti-noise signal and eliminates up to 99% of background noise in real time, letting you enjoy only the sounds you want to hear. But as much as we love being immersed in our own worlds, we need to be able to connect with the world around us. Enter Intelligent Active Noise Control. With Intelligent ANC, as soon as you start to speak, a microphone detects for your voice while a sensor detects for vibrations. An advanced AI algorithm then ensures your voice isn't mistaken for other voices to confirm you're in a conversation.
Hey, how you doing? Can I get a shot of espresso with an extra boosted caramel and an extra shot of vanilla?
And with improved latency, ambient sound on the Galaxy Buds Pro will sound more clear and natural than ever before. Intelligent ANC lets you hear and interact with your environment while your earbuds are still on for a truly seamless transition from immersion to communication. One aspect of sound that's often overlooked is call quality. Buds Pro are designed with a voice pickup unit and 3 microphones to maximize call clarity. Once the voice pickup unit detects your voice, 2 outer mics positioned directly toward the mouth perform beamforming. Beamforming funnels your voice directly to the mic to minimize external noise and amplify your voice. There's even a built-in solution to help you get around one of the most common pain points when on a call: wind. In design, the earbud itself has been reimagined with a more closed fit. At the hardware level, an outer mesh combines with an inner wind chamber to disperse and further neutralize wind. Finally, advanced software distinguishes between voice and wind sound patterns to ensure no leftover breeze makes its way into a call. With Galaxy Buds Pro, it's no longer necessary to choose between being immersed in your own world and being able to connect with the world around you. Enjoy the ultimate sound experience with Galaxy Buds Pro, tiny yet powerful earbuds.
Audio has the power to move us. Music transports us to different worlds. We get lost in stories through audiobooks and podcasts. And time flies when we're chatting with our friends. Galaxy Buds Pro understand and adjust based on what we're doing. They can recognize when we're listening to tunes or catching up with family, and figure out when we want to move from our phone to our tablet and back again. An auto switch lets Galaxy Buds Pro switch with you. If you're watching something on your tablet and your phone rings, don't rush around. Galaxy Buds Pro will easily switch audio to the device you're using. No need to fiddle with settings or wait for a connection. Incredible sound quality is the most important part of any listening experience. We designed Buds Pro to deliver the clearest, richest sound of any Galaxy device. And of course, form follows sound. We carefully studied the shape and contour of the ear to make Galaxy Buds Pro fit more securely. They're designed to sit just right within 3 key parts of your ear. We also added a 2mm vent to the outer shell of the buds to create airflow and balance the pressure around your ear, so you'll have a balanced fit without the feeling of tightness. I'm a runner, and when I go on hour-long runs, most wireless earbuds fall out. Galaxy Buds Pro stay securely in my ears. I can trust that whenever I take my mask off or remove my hat and scarf, my buds will stay right where they are. And at IPX7, the Galaxy Buds Pro have the highest standard of water resistance in the Galaxy Buds lineup. We intricately shaped every part of Buds Pro to make your everyday listening experiences exceptional, right down to the case you put them in. If you have a pair of Buds Live, we've made sure you can still use your accessories. You can get your own pair of Galaxy Buds Pro in 3 amazing colors. They'll be available for $199, starting January 15th. Let's take another look.
Introducing Galaxy Buds Pro. It sounds like you're here, even when you're here. and they even turn down when you speak.
Can I get a number 1 with extra onions and chili sauce?
Good choice.
Thank you.
Now, what you hear is up to you.
Why you playing with me, girl? You got me. I'm just saying like a naked body.
With incredible sound quality, intelligent ANC, and our most secure fit ever, Galaxy Buds Pro will transform your listening experience.